How to add an admin to a Facebook group. So to do that, let's head over right here to our three lines or our menu and then click on this groups. Now click on this your groups because you need to be a part of a group in order to add a person as an admin. Now I have in here group and manage. Now you can head over and then click on this manage option right here, and then from in there you can just see in here all of these tools. Click on this admin as this, and as you can see, this will actually help you with this one. Now, if you want to add or manage the people that already in here, you can click on this group settings. And then in here, you can see the membership questions, discussions, and a lot more. You also have in your post formats and a lot more as well. Now, if you want, you can also add in here some people. So first things first, you need to click on this people right here. And then if you want, you can click on the three dots and then you can view a profile. Now, if you want to add a person right here, you can just head over and invite them to your group. And then once they have been invited, they will be joined right here. And then you can click on the three dots in here as well in order to add them to the group as an admin instead of a member only. So that's how you add an admin to a Facebook group. Hope we help.